Hey everyone, Judy here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I have an incredible interview to share with you guys with the founders of Satori Revolution and their journey of starting an eco-friendly and conscious slow fashion brand. At the end of this video, I will be telling you how you can win a $100 gift card to their store, so make sure you watch to the end. Without further ado, let's get started.
Hi everyone, my name is Christel San Diego.
And I'm Erika Matos.
So we are the co-founders of Satori Revolution. It is an ethically made, sustainable, and zero-waste swimwear and loungewear company.
We also have our ethical, sustainable, and zero-waste manufacturing in Philippines called MVPS International.
Feel Naughty, Guilt-Free is their tagline. So tell us, what makes the brand guilt-free?
Most people buy their stuff like fast fashion.
Yes.
Especially, it's cheap and you can get them anywhere. You can get like a simple tank top for like $2. We did Feel Naughty, Guilt-Free is so that, even though you're buying things for yourself that will make you look good and make you feel good, like as far as confidence wise, it's guilt-free because you know that when you buy from Satori Revolution, it's ethically made, it's sustainable, and it's zero waste. I guess just starting your journey into like slow fashion, because with Satori Revolution we made sure that everything is versatile and timeless. It's not just
and
after
it is like you can wear it like at home, but you can also wear it out, like put on some cool jeans with it. It's definitely very versatile. And they're not all swimwear, right? Or are they all?
It can double as a swimwear. The way we made the bodysuits, it's all lined, and the lining inside it, it's very breathable. It's super soft cotton lining, and even if you like wear it casually, it's not hot.
That's awesome.
I think it's another thing how you could call it really sustainable, because you know that you could use it in different ways.
Yes.
You don't need to buy one thing for swimming and one thing for going out. You know that you could wear this multiple ways.
That's awesome. So how did you guys come up with this idea of Satori? Like, what inspired you guys to make this?
We were really lucky because my mom, she became an inspiration to us, and she showed us how to start a business and be independent women. We don't want to just do a business, we want to do something that would be good for long term, that would positively impact people.
Yes.
Not just us making money, no, that's not really the goal for us. We wanted to impact other people's lives, and not just that, we are aware of what's happening in the fashion industry, so we wanted to help reverse that.
Going back to how it's being made, you guys have a manufacturing facility in the Philippines, is that right?
Yeah,
how do you guys do that?
Yeah, and that's like one of the biggest problems in the fashion industry. Actually, in Philippines in general, a lot of people are getting overworked, underpaid, with no benefits. A lot of even like billionaires, million-dollar companies, they hire people so they could underpay them, they would make more money. We decided to put up our own manufacturing facility, so we control everything happening there. We made our work schedule to be 4 days a week, so they would have 3 days off, because traffic is another problem in the Philippines. A lot of people work and they have to travel for 4 hours just to go to work. That would save them time. That's the main reason we opened the manufacturing. We want them to have proper benefits. We want them to get paid living wage and not just the minimum wage. Like for example, our supervisor now, last year she made like 3,000 times what she used to make. So awesome. Her life is better. She was able to provide for her kids. They also get their full benefits, they have their 13th month, all the holiday in Philippines are paid, they have their vacation days. They're really enjoying, enjoying life more, not just getting overworked every time. That's one thing that really keeps us motivated to do this.
Yeah, is the impact that you guys are actually making on those workers. That's amazing. So each piece is handcrafted, right?
Yes.
Okay. When you guys thought like, we're going to open up a manufacturing facility, was that scary to you guys?
We thought of doing a business 2016, and then 2018 we still weren't doing anything. And then my sister around July, she was like, all right, I'm gonna go to the Philippines. I don't know what I'm gonna do there. And then she went there September of 2018.
Okay.
She started hiring people.
Oh wow.
And then she started training them.
So starting June, we were already kind of planning, you know.
Okay.
And I know that if I don't go to Philippines, everything would just, you know, get pushed back and pushed back. And so I was like, okay, I already booked my flight to Philippines. So I planned everything I need to do. So I know I need to hire people, get a place, get all the necessary machineries that we need. We really need to do a lot. So I was there for like 3 months in Philippines, just trying to establish it.
That's insane.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah.
Like there was a time around maybe October, November. She was like calling my mom crying. She was like, "There's so much to do," and and in the Philippines, nothing is automated. Everything is manually, like paper. So that's like stressing her out, and the traffic is really bad. Like. To go somewhere, for example, she needs to submit papers for the business license.
It would take 4 hours to drive.
Yeah.
So you have to go 4 hours back again. So the first 2 weeks, I was like, oh my, it's so traffic. I spent 1 whole day on the road.
Oh my god. Do you have background in fashion?
No. It's really hard because honestly, we don't have idea. On clothing.
She started training employees how to do like pattern making, and she doesn't even know how to pattern.
So how did you teach
So I
them?
kind of learn as I go.
Okay.
So for example, I know I need to do pattern. I would watch several videos and then I would just kind of get a hang of it.
Okay.
I know this is what I wanted to look. We already made designs before that.
Okay.
So we kind of have an idea already. So I tell them, oh, I want it to look this way.
So really quick again, I don't think we told them what your guys' roles are in the company.
So it's really the three of us.
Okay.
Three of us. It's my mom, my sister, and me.
Okay.
So we're all co-founders, and then I'm the one who take care of all like marketing stuff.
Okay.
I'm the one taking care of the operations.
Okay.
So I kind of connect everything happening here in US with Satori and the manufacturing in Philippines. And my mom and dad is the one taking care of the actual operations.
Okay.
I remember like the first few stages for Satori. I did like a vision mission, kind of just like a 20-year vision for the company.
Okay.
And then that's when that's when we put together, you know, sustainability and being ethical and zero waste. And basically that mission and vision like really focused on like 3 things. So it's gonna be for the people. It's something that we're doing for the people because we care about these people. Because the 2 things, like just sidetrack, 2 things that are like really hurting the fashion industry is the people that are working for it and the environment.
Okay.
So those are the 2 things that we wanted to focus on.
Okay.
And also with Satori Revolution, we wanted it to be like body positive, and we want to encourage people to embrace who they are and you know, feel sexy in whichever way they want to feel sexy.
I like that. Who designs the pieces? Both of you guys?
Yes, both
Yeah.
of us.
Yes.
That's awesome.
We are both not creative,
Okay.
but we know what we like.
Okay.
So what we do is when we were designing the pieces, we kind of like this part on this clothing, kind of like this part, and then we kind of put it together. We kind of have the same taste. So we like something simple, not too busy. So we wanted to showcase more the person instead of, you know, the clothing.
Okay, so the net zero carbon footprint thing, how do you guys offset that carbon footprint?
With Satori, we partnered with different organizations that would help us offset our carbon footprint. So besides the planting trees, we also organize different cleanup events.
Okay.
So cleaning up the ocean and
that's with Planet Cora.
Okay.
And then the one that's planting trees, that's with One Tree Planet.
Okay.
And we have another organization that we're partnering with.
it's the Plastic Pollution Coalition.
Oh wow. And then the fabrics are also recycled?
Yes, all of our fabrics are 100% reclaimed.
Mm-hmm.
So that means companies make extra fabrics and a lot of them end up in the incinerators or landfills.
Okay.
So instead of us ordering more fabrics and adding to that pollution, we take out those waste, those extra fabrics from these warehouses that are filled with a lot of fabrics. We pick the ones that we could use for the products and make it into new high quality bodysuits. When we were doing our research, around 60% of the garments made every year end up as a waste. Yeah, 60% of them end up as a waste.
Crazy.
By the year they were produced.
They're in a throwaway culture. So what we're trying to do is create a cradle to cradle system, so we can try and close the loop and not just buy something and then you throw it. Like, if you buy something, make it to last. If it's not something that you could mend, they can take it to Satori and then
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, we're trying to close the loop. It's not 100% there yet, but that's what we're working on.
So we could upcycle it again, reuse it again, and
That's
make it
awesome
something.
because I feel like there's not enough of that. I can imagine throwing away like clothes after I'm done using them.
But that's too like we're not big shoppers.
Yeah.
So the stuff that we have at home, it's been there for a long time.
Yeah.
Like
6-7 years.
6-7 years.
We hope that people will do the same thing because it's not really about the money anymore.
It's more of like compassion and being empathetic to not only our workers, and also for the environment and like being the earth in general, because right now I feel like it's dying and we really have to do something to like help like conserve whatever we have.
Yeah. But people are still gonna buy clothes and everything, so you might as well have that option of like, here is some clothes that you're doing good for the planet if you buy these. So that's really cool.
Everything we do within our company, we make sure that it will positively impact our employees, their health, their children. That is something that we really stood up for. We wanted it to be ethically made. So we're not trying to greenwash, like how a lot of companies are trying to greenwash, everything. That's something that we really stood up for.
Any advice for someone who wants to start a business that is ethical or sustainable?
Yes. So honestly, now we are stable now in the manufacturing facility, and now we're opening our doors to small businesses that wanted to switch to sustainable products. And since our whole manufacturing is already ethical, sustainable, zero waste, that would make it easier for them to switch to sustainable products.
To your guys' manufacturing. Oh, that's awesome. That
Shameless plug.
No, definitely plug you guys. That's awesome.
MVPS International.
MVPS International. Go check it out. That's really cool. How would they get in contact with you guys?
They could contact us at inquiry@mvpsinternational.com.
Okay. What's next for Satori? Like, do you guys have any big plans for it coming up?
We have a lot. Yeah, so now we have the guilt-free market. So to start, that would open up opportunities for locally made Filipino brands, products from natural resources to be able to market it here in US.
Okay.
So that's giving small businesses in Philippines opportunities to not just sell in Philippines, but also expand their market internationally.
That's amazing. Because I can only imagine like who it'll affect, just the people who like hand make things and like that's really cool.
Yes, so a lot of the companies too are zero waste. They're all they made it themselves, so it's ethically made.
A lot of them are like they make their own soaps. Things like that.
So cool.
I'm so excited.
Yes, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for coming here today. I'm so excited to have you guys and for everyone to hear about it. I'm really glad you guys came.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so giveaway time. I'm really excited to announce that Satori has been nice enough to give away a $100 gift card to their store to one lucky winner. To enter into this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me and at Satori Revolution on Instagram and share this video or the giveaway post to your story on Instagram. So head on over to my Instagram account and you will see the official giveaway post that you can share, and make sure to leave a comment and let me know you've entered. The giveaway will go from February 28th to Friday, March 6th at 12 a.m. Pacific time, and I will announce the winner that day on March 6th on Instagram. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you got a lot out of it and found it inspiring. If you did, it would mean a lot to me if you left a comment down below. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!